Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. We're the highest rated printer service center nationwide. If you're interested in learning how to receive free labor on all of your service calls as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We're here for all of your printer and office supply needs. Alright, today we're going to be working on this Brother HL-5340. We're going to show you how to replace the drum and reset the counter on it. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open the front access door. Then you're going to pull out the drum and toner combination here. Pretty simply, just pull it straight out of the machine. Now to remove the toner from the drum, you're going to push down on the little blue tab on the side, lift and rotate the toner out of the drum. So we'll keep the toner, we're going to set that other drum off to the side. We're going to get our new Onyx brand toner, or drum rather. Open up the box. Inside of every Onyx drum for Brother drums, we're going to give you the written instructions on how to replace the drum. Remove the new drum from here. Okay, so now we have our new drum. We're going to reinstall our toner into the brand new drum here. You'll feel it click into place. There's a little blue slide or tab on top of the drum. You're going to grab that and you're going to slide that back and forth across the top of the drum about 2 to 3 times, making sure it ends up in the same spot it started at. You want to make sure both of the little arrows are pointing at each other. Once that's done, you're going to replace the toner and drum back into the printer, making sure it clicks into place. Now leaving the door open, you're going to reach over, you're going to push down on the blue go button and hold it down for approximately 4 seconds. You'll see all the LEDs on the side of the machine light up. Once that happens, you can let go of the go button, you can close the door, and it's just that simple. In a few simple steps, your printer's back up and running.